How am I wearing this without getting arrested?
This beat is OD.
It all started with this pair of shoes. I looked at those shoes and thought, what was I thinking buying those? It's like somebody else had taken over my body and thought those shoes were cute. Like, I just don't know what happened. So I got to thinking, what else is in my closet that I'm not wearing, I don't like anymore, or things that honestly just need to go. Luckily, my cousin's daughter, which I just call my niece, I don't know if that's a black thing or a Peruvian thing, I just think of her as my niece. She's interested in some of these clothes, so I'll be sending some of those to her. So I already know that they're going to a good home. Let's just get started because there's a lot to go through. This is my closet. Now, since I started with shoes, I might as well keep going into the shoe pile. This is actually where I keep all of my shoes. It looks very small to me personally, but there are some shoes that I don't even wear in here, so I'm looking forward to making space for things that I will actually wear. Let's start with these Steve Madden little heels. These are so cute and I love them, and they're practically brand new, but I never ever wear them, so out they go. These vintage kitten heels, so cute. I have not worn them yet, okay? I am going to wear these one day. I don't know when, but I will wear them, so I'm gonna keep them. Also, I'm going to give myself 1 year. If I don't wear these come this time next year, I will get rid of them. So I'll have to look back on this video to remind myself that I said that. These sneakers, it's a hate-hate relationship. I do not like these, but I don't have another pair of black sneakers, and I've been looking for a cute pair to replace them, but I haven't found them yet. And sometimes when I really need a black sneaker, I will have to put these on, but I don't necessarily love them. Unfortunately, these have to go back. Look how cute these sandals are. I love them. I mean, the style, the color, they're absolutely gorgeous, but they're so uncomfortable. The strap doesn't really hold your foot in, and it feels like you're walking on cement. There's absolutely no cushion in here, and I hate to say this, but this has become a trend with Zara shoes. So if you're ever shopping at Zara for some shoes or sandals, just beware. Those are going out for sure. These shoes, the clear era has passed. They're so cool. I think they're still like really good looking and in amazing shape, but I'm not wearing them. I believe they were my mom's and she gave them to me, and they're a size too small, so they're actually really uncomfortable, but it's just that I can't fit them. I want to keep them, but there's no way. These shoes as well, I just never wear them. I think it has something to do with the strap. It's just not that comfortable, and I wish it was, because I would have probably killed these. I'm kind of getting rid of a lot of stuff. I feel like I'm doing that thing where I get rid of a lot of stuff, then I panic. I'm like, I have nothing, and then I like slowly start taking things back again. Look at that, another pair of Zara sandals, which are completely uncomfortable. I mean, this whole thing is like hard plastic, and there's absolutely no cushion for your foot. Yeah, these are gonna have to go. I have worn these a few times, but I always mentally make sure that I'm not really going anywhere or walking that far when I'm wearing them, and I feel like that's a bad sign. These are super fancy, so you already know I'm not wearing these a lot. This is what they look like, and they're really nice. It's just they're not my style, and also that paired with the fact that I'm not going anywhere where I would need to wear something like this anytime soon, I'm just gonna have to get rid of them because they've been sitting here for a few years now. I have these shoes, very cute. They're not my style, so I never wore them. I believe my mom gave me these, so I don't feel too bad about myself because I didn't buy these. I think that's it for shoes. I think I'm gonna chill out because I've thrown away 8 pairs of shoes already. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. This is the clothes portion of my closet. This is gonna be a little bit harder to detach with. I think we're gonna have less things to go out, but I will do my best. Okay. I guess I'll start in the back with the black. This was my mom's dress, and then I had her turn it into a 2-piece set. And now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, when was the last time that I wore this? And this is perfect for summer, so I can't even say, oh, this is like a fall item. So I think this is gonna have to go. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Or if you want it back, let me know. Oh, this is a good hanger. Hangers are a very hot commodity in this household. There's never enough. Am I gonna wear this? No. Oh my gosh. See, I'm getting emotional now. It's a velvet maxi dress, and look at the little cute strap detail. I mean, even over what I'm wearing now, it would look so cute, but I just never wear it. Oh my god. This also has to go. It's another 2-piece set. I guess I'm not wearing these like short skirt sets anymore. These are the bottoms, and this is the top. It's very preppy. And then in the back, it's got the straps going up. It's very cute, and you won't even believe that it's from Forever 21 because when you look at it, it looks like such good quality. You know what? Maybe I'll put this in the maybe pile because this set is just so cute. I feel like it's been in the maybe pile for a while, and then I put it back and it's never my first option. I've only picked out 3 clothing items. I'm having a meltdown. Yeah, I was able to throw away 8 pairs of shoes. This one definitely has to go. It's another maxi dress, but the straps have been stretched out so that when you put it on, it's like, look how low that is. Imagine if I were to go out with it just like this. It's even lower when I put it on. So I would have to wear a shirt over it, and I don't want to keep things that I'm like, oh, you have to wear it like this, you have to do it like that. Side note, look how cute this skirt is. I feel like I put it in a haul already, but I'm gonna show you again. Look how adorable this pleated mini skirt is. Oh my god. And then look at the back. Yeah. You're welcome. Keeping that. Oh my god, this skirt needs to go. This skirt, but it's so cute. It's like a cargo skirt, but I lost the buttons. So it only buttons up from like here to here, which is like extremely micro. Like this is not enough for it to cover yourself. So I have to wear it open, and like I just said, I'm not into, oh, you have to wear it like this, you have to wear it like that, which is such a shame because cargo skirts are coming back. Oh my god, speaking of, look at this like cargo-esque dress. It looks so brown on camera. Ugh. But this is definitely an army green. And then look at the pockets on the side. How cute. I should put this in a styling video soon. I have literally never worn this. And I was gonna do a video where I like style things I've never worn. This is so cool. Oh my god, the hanger's broken. What the heck? This is so cool, but how are you wearing this? I have never worn this. It's completely plastic. It fits perfectly because I did try it on. It's from Topshop when Topshop actually had stores in the US. I just think it's so cool, but how am I wearing this without getting arrested? I will find a way to wear this. I will! I'm going to speak it into existence. I mean, if anything else, if I don't even wear it, it's just something that's so cool to look at. It's like wearable art. Yeah, it's time for this to go. It's like a little cropped button down, and it says Heartbreaker, but I'm just not wearing it. And I think it's because it's cropped, because Lord, am I so tired of half shirts. Keeping. I have to go through my pants, and when you see how many bins are full of pants, you will know why. I almost forgot to show you guys these because they were in my other closet, which I keep pretty up to date because it's a smaller closet and it's longer from top to bottom, so I keep a lot of longer things in there. But these overalls, I'm just not wearing anymore. And they're men's, so they fit a little bit weird. And I did wear it a lot, but I'm just not wearing it anymore. I don't know if I can salvage it. I love this, and I've seen people wear this where they cut this piece right here and wear it as a top, but like, am I that girl, or do I just want to cut it because I want to save like a piece of it, you know? I think it would probably be best if I gave it away so somebody could have the whole thing. Now, I was gonna try on this two-piece set, but I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and give it another chance, another year in my wardrobe. If I don't wear it this year, then I will come back to it next year. I'm having such a hard time letting it go, and maybe that's my gut feeling telling me I'm gonna need it soon. This is box 1, this is box 2, and this is box 3. Okay, I'm just gonna start with this one since it's the biggest. Oh my god, my only black leggings. I know I need a new pair, but like, does it have to be today? Does it have to be today? So it looks like I'm not getting rid of any of these pants. Okay, next box. Oh, this is like winter stuff. Oh, these can go for sure. It's just the fit. They don't go down all the way to my ankles, which makes me angry. This is stuff that I mostly wear when I go on trips to other places because Florida will not allow me to be great. Last pants box. I don't know about these. I might have to get rid of these because is anybody wearing skinny jeans anymore? Not even just for the trend. Like, when was the last time I wore skinny jeans? But you know what? These are actually very classic looking. They look like a trouser that just happens to be made out of denim. So it's almost like very professional looking. You know what? I'm taking these leggings back. I don't care if you call me weak. I'm taking the leggings back. I need them. They're a winter staple. Now I have my sunglasses next. You thought this was just gonna be clothes and shoes? No, we're going deep. These are my new obsession. I just feel like a 70s cop. My prescription glasses that I don't need anymore. I tried them on the other day just to be like, let me see how blind I was. And it wasn't that bad. Oh my gosh, these were a moment. If you remember when like every Tumblr girl had these, not gonna be wearing those anymore. No, I should totally get rid of these. I feel bad because they're vintage. They're very uncomfortable to wear. But after a while, they start like hurting the back of my ear. Oh my god, I love them so much, but I never wear them just because I know it's gonna be uncomfortable. I remember when I got these, I was like, I'm gonna wear these on the mountain for when I go skiing. Babe, you're not thinking about the goggles that you're gonna need. So when are you gonna have time to wear these? Never wore them. I'm gonna hang on to them though. I think I'm gonna make them work more as a headband than as sunglasses. I think that's the way it's gonna have to be. Next year, if I come back and they're on the chopping block again, it's time. Let's see, I haven't worn these in a while, but I still love them. I can't get rid of these yet. As weird as it might sound, I feel like these glasses are very fall to me because I wear them a lot in the fall and winter. It makes sense to me. Oh my god. Remember these? Everybody had tiny sunglasses. I can't even wear them because my lashes don't fit behind them. They just keep getting pushed down. I mean, I see it. I see the vision. It's like a super exaggerated cat eye, but I never wear these. I think that's it as far as sunglasses I'm gonna get rid of. This is my collection of jewelry. The tray is overflowing. There's not a lot to begin with, but I do know that I've been keeping things that I haven't been wearing. So I'll do the jewelry next, and then I'll finish this video off with my handbags. These earrings have got to go. These earrings too. They're little kitties, but I never wear them. Love these, but I never wear them because I have something very similar in black. I have these in black, and when I want a dangly earring, it's just easier to match this than it is with the blue ones. These gold hoops should be going out, but they're not because I have yet to find a replacement. That looks a lot better, a lot less cluttered. Distressed silver ring. It's cute, but I'm not wearing it. I love this, but when I first got this, it was this pink. It's time to go. I think I'm gonna have to give this one away. I do want to keep the chain. Isn't it so cute? It's very like Victorian looking. I'd probably just wear the chain on its own. I think it's time to let this Pandora bracelet die. My bags are up here. Oh. I think I am gonna get rid of this bag just because this piece broke. This bag is very old and it's from Shein. It lasted a very long time. The piece that I tried to glue back on is inside, so if somebody wants to try and glue it back on again, they can. It's not the end of the world. The bag still looks pretty good, but you can definitely tell something's off. Maybe if they just cut this piece, it could be like a cute asymmetrical detail. I'm gonna have to let it go. This bag was very well used and very well loved. It's just looking weathered. I think that's it for my bags. I'm sweating. I think I did a lot of good work. Good work, team. Thank you guys so much for hanging out.